Absolutely, bro. I'm just on my lunch out here on the concrete jungle, but I've always got time for you. So whatever it is that I feel like I need to work on is what I base my mantras around. So the other day I was feeling scarcity with my money, with my abundance. And so that was my mantra. I have an abundance, and everything I need, I receive. So I already assume that whatever it is that I need, I have it. Like, I don't wish for anything. I already act as if I have it. So let's say it's confidence. I am confident. I am strong. I am powerful. I am beautiful. So whatever it is that you want to work on, just assume you already are that and make it a mantra. There is no list of mantras. Well, obviously there's lists, but there is no right or wrong way to make a mantra. Whatever it is that you need, I am beautiful. I am confident. I am powerful. I am and will receive all the blessings that my Creator has in store for me. That's it. So I just repeat that stuff. Whatever it is I need that day, that's my mantra. I hope this helps, little brother. I hope you're staying up, staying sober. Peace, love, and until next time.